And here we go. Now this is a video I've been wanting to do for a while. I just haven't done it yet. Now whenever you get out and about, you're going to see everybody selling all these different plants. They all look big and beautiful. And the problem is, some of these plants are going to be good, some of them are not. So what we're going to talk about today is GMO, non-GMO plants, and hybrid plants. Now a GMO plant is a genetically modified organism. Basically is made up in a lab. It's a genetic engineered variant of the seeds. Now, a lot of countries have banned GMO plants and GMO foods because these particular plants, they have an environmental impact and a potential human risk of cancer, allergies, infertility. Now, some of these can even cause leaky gut syndrome, which is directly connected to autoimmune and inflammatory health issues. Now, the difference between a GMO and a hybrid is a GMO is made in a lab. A hybrid comes from two existing plants that have cross-pollinated. Now, a GMO, you can't grow a plant from its own seed. It may grow a plant, but it's not going to fruit like it's supposed to, if it fruits at all. Now, a hybrid's the same way. If the seeds do germinate and grow, you're not going to get the same plant that you got the seeds from. You're going to get one of the base plants at best, and it'll probably be a sterile plant, kind of like a mule. Okay, you crossbreed a horse and a jackass and you end up with a mule, and they're sterile and they can't reproduce. Now, it's kind of difficult, but I try to only deal with heirloom variety plants. Now, an heirloom variety plant, they have bred true to their seed for over 50 years. So, whenever you collect the seeds from your vegetables, then you dry them out and you can replant them, and you're going to get the same plant year after year. Now, another perk of doing this is every time you grow it in your soil and in your region, you're going to get a stronger plant. So all in all, the more you grow it, the better it gets, and the better results you're going to get out of your plants. Now, a lot of these are terms that every gardener should know, that most of them probably don't. It's not talked about nearly enough. So there's a lot of confusion whenever people go to buy these plants. They're like, well, this one looks better than that one, or this one's cheaper. And you're going to get what you pay for, usually. But a lot of these people are going up to your big box stores and they're paying $20 for a plant that they think's big and beautiful and is going to be good for them, and really it isn't. Now, the next little tidbit I'm going to throw out there is the difference in between a traditionally grown plant and an organically grown plant. Now, traditionally, which I really don't care for, people are using artificial fertilizers and they're using pesticides, and that stuff's not good for you. Okay, if it's going to kill a bug, then it's going to soak into the fruit. It's just not going to be on the outside of it, and you're going to be ingesting that, and it's not necessarily a good deal. Now, you can get organic fertilizers, which they're really good, and for pesticides, you can do companion planting, which helps deter a lot of your pests. Well, I thank you all very much. I hope you have a fantastic day, and keep an eye out for more videos. Have a nice day.